Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're plunging right into how to set up a student attendance system in Airtable, the 2025 edition. First off, log into your Airtable account and create a new base. Name it something like Student Attendance. This is the foundation of our system, where we'll track all the attendance data. Now the next thing is to make a table labeled Students. Here you'll be inputting all the student details. This helps us because it gives us a centralized place to manage student information. Once you've done that, create another table labeled Classes. This is where you'll keep track of the classes and their schedules. Remember, a well-organized system makes tracking attendance easier and more accurate. Now, let's dive a little deeper. In the Classes table, add a linked record field to the Students table. This will allow you to select which students are in each class. The reason we do this is to link our data together, and it's what makes Airtable so powerful. Okay, now for the attendance tracking. Create a new table labeled Attendance and add a linked record field to both the Classes and Students tables. Each record in this table will represent a student's attendance for a specific class. This step is crucial because it's where the actual tracking of attendance happens. Finally, you can customize this system by adding additional fields to these tables, like dates, notes, and more. This is where you can tailor the system to your specific needs. And there you have it. You've set up a robust student attendance system in Airtable. It may seem a bit complicated at first, but remember, it's all about keeping track of your data in a way that makes sense to you. Keep experimenting, and you'll be a pro in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy organizing.